This is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. In this video, I am going to share how you can use Hexagon EAM to submit, track, and manage work requests. Work requests are formal requests to initiate maintenance activities or repairs on equipment, facilities, or assets. They serve as a communication tool to report issues, request services, or suggest preventive measures. Work requests can be submitted from the desktop or mobile applications. Let's submit a request together. From the Work menu, navigate to Work Request. A work request typically includes a detailed description of the problem, the affected asset, and any relevant information that can help in addressing the issue. Let's begin by entering the description. Next, enter or select the equipment. Then you can proceed with capturing any additional information. One thing to note is that in Hexagon EAM, work requests are essentially work orders in the work request status. Work requests often include a priority to help identify urgent versus low priority issues. As the person submitting the request, if I happen to know the problem code or who to assign the request to, I could proceed with populating that information. The request details also include the requested by. This allows for follow-up and clarification if needed. As you can see, you can always add additional comments and associate documents to a work request. Once a request is submitted, it is then available for review. Some organizations set up email notifications to alert a supervisor when a request is submitted. Other users prefer to work from an inbox on the Start Center screen. Oftentimes, this will hyperlink to the work order screen so that the requests can go ahead and be updated and assigned. But there is another screen that's available for reviewing work requests. This screen is available from the Work menu, then Review Work Request. This screen does allow for multiple requests to be selected and then either approved or rejected. Work requests can be rejected as long as a reject reason is provided. If I wanted to proceed with approving this request, I simply need to select the records and then click Approve. At this point in time, the request has been approved and the work order can then be planned and scheduled. I hope you found this overview on work requests useful. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we look forward to sharing additional content with you soon. Have a great day.